Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Dee and this is Dee at Home. I am not doing a long-winded intro. We're getting right into the video here. So the style that I'm doing today, I'm using this twisted up, pre-twisted passion twist hair. It's in 18 inches. It's in the color 2. I typically don't get a 2, but it was the only thing that they had in stock at the beauty supply, so I just went with it. I still think it came out really cute, as you can see from the beginning of the video. But this is the hair that I'm using. It is by the brand Xpression. And then I'm also using a wig cap here. You'll see it is one that I picked up from the beauty supply store as well. It says make your own wig. I'm not sure what the brand is, but I'm sure you can find it in your local beauty supply store. I think it says premium braid cap wig. Yeah, that's what it is. So I'm sure you can find it in the beauty supply store if you just look around for crochet wig caps. So this is what the hair looks like in outside of the pack. It's really pretty. It says it's passion twist hair. It doesn't look like passion twist hair to me though. It just looks like a pretty kind of like 3-strand twist hair, but when I saw it, I thought it would be great for the style that I was going to try and get with the crochet hair. So going ahead and getting started, what I did was I went ahead and took the wig cap, and then I just started to crochet the hair onto the wig cap. As you can see in this video, I kind of spread it out a lot, and I think you need that because even though it looks like that I have the hair pretty spread apart, it ends up being a lot of hair on the wig cap once you end up finishing it. I only used 2 packs of the hair, but it was still a lot since I went ahead and untwisted the hair itself. But between the braids, I just did kind of 2 finger width apart. So that's the way I decided to put the wig, to put the hair on the wig cap. So that's just kind of what you seeing me do right here. So with this style, I decided to unravel the twist. As you can see, I started at the bottom and then I just started to work my way up. It's very easy to get the hair to untwist with this particular brand. You just start at the bottom and then you start to unravel. When I unraveled it, I'm unraveling only 1 strand of the twist. And then once you get to the top, you can see it kind of naturally splits the remaining 2 into 1. One tip of advice that I would give you is when you just separate the one twist from the braid, it's very easy. You don't get any frizz or anything like that. But once you begin to separate this second piece, as you can see, it starts to get a little bit frizzy from there. You absolutely don't need to unravel all 3 of them. You can just take the one and then leave the other 2 together if that's what you want to do. Again, because that is going to decrease the amount of frizziness that you get. I personally don't mind the frizziness. It just looks more natural to me. But again, it's up to you if you decide to do this style for yourself, if you want to separate it 2 or if you want to separate all 3 of them.
And now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there. Don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up. We should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus. Don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip. Always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right. But when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you like you say you do. Don't kill the good vibes. If you kill them, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe.
The pattern that I like to use with my crochet braids when I'm using a wig cap is I just kind of start from the back, and then I'll go to the sides and put hair on both of the sides, and then I leave the top for the end. And the reason I do that is just because once you get to kind of like the top of the wig cap, that's when you want to actually put more hair and not have it as spaced out, just because that is what you're going to actually see. The back of the hair and the sides, you know, once the hair starts to lay on top of each other, they all kind of naturally go into the blank spot, so you don't necessarily have to worry about the back like I said before, because it's going to get covered up.
When the days are rough, I can dust it off. Change the state I'm in. Make me happy when I am up against things that I can't change. Keep my mind at ease when I feel the need. Let the bad times be gone. Won't you let me stay forever? The truth is our life's so much better. Won't you let me stay forever? Light up in the sky filled with treasure. Won't you let me stay forever? The truth is our life's so much better. Won't you let me stay forever? Light up in the sky filled with treasures. Won't you join in? I can help you with anything you need. When you make mistakes, I can ease your pain. Follow me and dream.
So this is what the wig cap look like finished. It is very pretty to me. It looks like some natural twist out hair. I really like the way it looks. And so I'm going to go ahead and just pop it onto my head. I did not use any wig combs or anything like that on this wig. I don't think it's needed. It definitely doesn't slip or slide on my hair. But if you feel like you want it to fit a little bit more secure, by all means go ahead and put some combs onto the wig cap, and it'll definitely be more secure for you. So part 2 of finishing up this current style, I saved 2 of the braids from the pack. I knew I was going to use these for the front of my hair. So these are just 2 braids that were left over from the package. And what I did was I went ahead and took the crochet needle and I put it underneath the band of this wig cap. I hope you can see it. I hope you understand what I'm saying. But what I ended up doing was I just took one of the braids, I braided it through the band of the cap. And I made sure that I pulled the cap up off my hair because I did not want to crochet this onto my natural hair. But I went ahead, put the crochet needle on, and then I just wrapped the braid around the actual wig cap. so that it would actually cover the band of the wig cap, so you actually don't even see it, and it kind of looks like you just have the braid and then it goes into the natural twist out. So I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, hopefully you can tell what I'm doing from the video. But if you have any questions, let me know in the comment box and I'll be sure to answer those questions for you. So I went ahead and used some pins to kind of secure the braids at the top. Once I started to look a little bit closely at the top here, I noticed that I could see some of the wig cap. So what I ended up doing off camera was just take some of the hair out of the back and then put it into the front, and you can't even tell because again the hair is so thick, as you can see here. It's pretty long as well, so I just decided to leave it as is. You could definitely cut it and make it into a different style, or you know, shape it up how you want it to, but I just decided to leave it as is. Like I said before, I really like it. I love how it turned out. It's very voluminous and thick, as you can see. I put it all to one side here, and again, I absolutely love it. It was so quick, it was so easy, it was very inexpensive to do, and I hope you guys like this style. Let me know in the comment box if you would like me to do any other upcoming styles here on my channel, and if I can figure out how to do it, I will definitely make a video for you ladies. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. This was just a really quick and easy hair tutorial that I wanted to come and give to you guys. Just a couple tips if you decide to do this for yourself. Again, if you decide to do it on a wig cap, it's very easy, but you are going to have to use more hair. So if I do this style again, I'll probably just do the easy way of doing the crochet hair without cornrows, because then that way the hair won't be as thick as it is right now. So that's just a little tip for you. If you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I know it wasn't anything super special, it's really easy to do, but I just wanted to give you guys another hair tutorial here on my channel, and this is it. So I hope you like it, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next one.